Worthwhile, isn't it?
That's not bad.
Listen. All you can hear is just the creaking of the embers in his
Yeah, just my fire.
burning motorhome.
Out! Just get out! And you! Out! Out! Oh, God, look at it!
And on that note...
Right.
After James had failed to wipe his bottom with any dignity, we decided to go to a nearby beauty spot.
James May.
Jeremy Clarkson.
What's it like driving around under a bucket of your own feces?
Are you going to fall over today for our entertainment?
As we drove along, we began to realise that our motorhoming holiday hadn't been a great success.
I'm exhausted. I'm also pretty cold now. I don't think I'm going to make it. Just leave me behind. I'll only slow you up. I don't know why I said that. They will.
Covered in egg and crisps and spam juice. I haven't shaved, I haven't had a proper wash for 3 days. The thing about this exercise is that it helps you to appreciate the basic amenities of home life. You know, a tap, a chair,